Turn children's drawings into animated stories. Hack. From fridge art to film festival in your living room. Let's be brutally honest, moms and dads, caregivers, brave aunts/uncles, all welcome. Our homes are under siege, not by barbarians, but by an unstoppable force wielding crayons, markers, and an alarming amount of glitter. Our children. Their artistic output is prolific, often abstract, and threatens to engulf every flat surface like a Technicolor tsunami. We dutifully stick masterpieces on the fridge, file them in special boxes that quickly resemble overstuffed time capsules, and occasionally sneak some into recycling under cover of darkness. Don't judge, survival instincts kick in. But what if I told you there's a magical alchemy, an hack of epic proportions, that transforms this avalanche of paper into pure, unadulterated gold? Gold in the form of giggles, wonder, and memories that won't end up crumpled at the bottom of a toy box. Welcome to the revolution, turning children's drawings into animated stories. Beyond the fridge magnet, why this hack is pure genius and slightly mad. Sticking a drawing on the fridge is nice. It says, I acknowledge your existence and your questionable depiction of a cat-dragon hybrid. But animating it? That's next-level parenting sorcery. Here's why this hack isn't just fun. It's borderline revolutionary. 1. Instant kid superstardom. Imagine your child's face when their stick figure family suddenly waves on the screen, or their lopsided house sprouts smoke from its wonky chimney. Their creation isn't just static, it's alive. You've just bestowed upon them the powers of Disney, Pixar, and Studio Ghibli rolled into one sleep-deprived parent. The look of awe, worth more than any paycheck, though maybe negotiate extra chores later based on this goodwill. 2. Validation volcano. Kids pour their hearts, souls, and half the contents of the glitter glue bottle onto that paper. Animating it screams, your imagination is amazing, worthy of the big screen, aka the iPad. This boosts confidence and creative courage like nothing else. 3. Storytelling boot camp. That drawing isn't just a picture. It's a frozen moment in an epic saga only your child fully understands. Animating it forces them, with your gentle guidance, to articulate the before, the after, and the why is the dog wearing a spacesuit? This is narrative development disguised as play. Sneaky learning? The best kind. 4. Memory preservation 2.0. Photos capture a moment. A video captures a performance. An animated story captures their imagination, their voice, their unique worldview at that exact stage. Years later, watching the adventures of Blobby the Rainbow Blob, as told by 4-year-old me, will be priceless. Way better than dusty finger paintings. 5. Desperation-driven sanity saver. Rainy day, everyone climbing the walls, screen time guilt looming. Wham! Unleash the animation project. It's engaging, creative, collaborative, and buys you precious minutes, maybe even an hour, of focused, non-destructive activity. It's not just a hack. It's a tactical maneuver in the parenting trenches. The how-to. Less rocket science, more Play-Doh engineering. Fear not. You don't need a degree in computer graphics or a Hollywood budget. This hack thrives on simplicity, imperfection, and embracing the glorious chaos of childhood art. Here's your battle plan. Phase 1. The artistic acquisition, aka getting the darn drawing. The commission. Hey kiddo, I need an epic drawing for a super secret project. Can you draw me? Insert simple prompt. A brave character, a weird monster, a magical place, you eating broccoli for once? Pro tip. Avoid complex scenes initially. One central character or a simple background is perfect. Embrace the abstract If they hand you a piece of paper that looks like a spaghetti monster fought a rainbow in a tornado, great. That's pure creative fuel. Ask, oh, tell me about this awesome creature. What's its name? What's it doing? Their explanation is the story. Media matters. Sort of thicker paper, construction paper, is sturdier for animating. Darker, bolder lines, markers, crayons show up better than faint pencil. But honestly, use what you have. Glitter adds sparkles, magic sparkles, and future vacuuming challenges. Phase 2, Digital Alchemy, capturing the masterpiece. The tech. Your smartphone camera is your magic wand. That's it. Seriously. Lighting is key. The cheap kind find a well-lit spot near a window. Indirect sunlight is best. Avoid harsh shadows falling on the drawing. A cloudy day is actually perfect. Flat and steady wins the race. Lay the drawing flat on the floor or table. Hold the phone directly above it, parallel to the paper. Tap the screen on the drawing to focus. Get as much of the drawing in the frame as possible without your phone casting a shadow. Awkward yoga positions may be required. Consider it core exercise. Snap it. Take a clear, well-lit photo. Check it. Blurry rainbow blobs are hard to animate. Delete and retake if needed. Phase 3. Animation Station, bringing the blob to life. This is where the magic and the fun really happens. We're keeping it simple and accessible. Absolutely essential, free, and easy options. One Stop Motion Studio, free, iOS/Android, the gold standard for beginners. Super intuitive. Lets you take multiple photos frame by frame, moving the drawing slightly each time. It has onion skinning, seeing a faint ghost of the previous frame, which is a game changer. You can even add sound effects and music later. 2Flip freemium, iOS/Android, more geared towards drawing animation, but its import image feature is perfect for this hack. Trace over parts of your kids, drawing on different layers to make them move. Great for adding simple motions to characters. 3Canva, free, web/iOS/Android, surprisingly versatile. Upload the drawing. Duplicate the slide. Use the Animate feature on elements you copy/paste, like isolating a character, duplicating it, and using the float or pan animation between slides. Less frame-by-frame control, but very user-friendly for simple movements. The simple animation techniques, think Gumby, not Godzilla. 1. The Wiggly Wave. Take your photo into the app. Duplicate the frame. On the duplicate, slightly move an arm up. Next frame, move it down. Boom! Waving character. Add frames for smoother motion. 2. The Bouncy Walk. Isolate the character, cut it out digitally in the app, or carefully cut the physical drawing. Maybe make a photocopy first. Take a picture. Move the character slightly to the right and slightly down. Next frame, move it right and slightly up. Repeat. Instant Bouncy Walk cycle. Bonus points for adding a wiggly arm swing. 3. The Expressive Eyebrow. Draw 2 simple eyes on a separate tiny piece of paper. Cut them out. Place them on the character's face in your main photo. Snap a pic. Lift one eyebrow cutout slightly. Snap again. Instant surprise or suspicion. This works great for mouths too. Happy, sad, O-shaped surprise. For the magical appearing object, start with a picture of the scene without the object, e.g., an empty hand. Next frame, place the drawing of the object, a cupcake, a sword, a strangely shaped rock in the hand. Snap. The cupcake magically appears. 5. Simple background pan. Take a picture of a wider background drawing, maybe a landscape. In the app, start with the left side of the pic filling the screen. Next frame, shift the view slightly to the right. Keep going. It looks like the character is moving through the scene. Great for car drawings or walking adventures. Phase 4, story time. Adding the sparkle and narration. The voice of God, HACKai. Your kid, this is the best part. Record your child narrating the story. Use your phone's voice memo app or the audio recording feature in your animation app. Stop Motion Studio is great for this. Ask guiding questions. What's happening now? What does character name say? Oh no, what happens next? Embrace the ums, the pauses, the sudden detours, and then the Dragonate pancakes. It's pure gold. Your slightly exaggerated, dramatic narration is also perfectly acceptable and hilarious. Sound effects symphony. Get silly. Add mouth-made sounds. Whoosh, boom, giggle giggle. Gnome gnome gnome. Use pots and pans for crashes. Jingle keys for magic sparkles. Apps often have simple sound effect libraries too. Background boogie. A little royalty-free music sets the mood. Upbeat for adventures. Gentle twinkly stuff for magical moments. Keep it low so the narration shines. Many free music sites exist. YouTube Audio Library, Free Music Archive. Phase 5, the grand premiere. Set the scene. Dim the lights. Flashlights under chins optional but encouraged. Get the snacks. Popcorn elevates any premiere. Roll the film. Project on the TV via Chromecast/AirPlay or huddle around the tablet. Hit play. Soak in the glory. Watch their eyes widen. Hear their giggles erupt. Witness their pride explode. This is the payoff. This is the MOM hack magic. Applaud wildly. Demand an encore. Ask about the sequel. Comical caveats and realistic expectations. Embrace the chaos. Let's inject some reality, seasoned with humor. It looks like a drunk robot made it. Your first attempts will be jerky. Characters will teleport instead of walk. Arms will detach and float ominously. This is perfect. It adds charm. It's authentically kid-made. Laugh with it. Point out the special effects. The attention span of a gnat. Possibly less. Your child might narrate half the story, then wander off to see if the cat is edible. They might decide halfway through animation that the blue scribble is now a spaceship, not a lake. Go with the flow. Capture what you can. It's about the process, not Pixar perfection. Tech tantrums, yours. Probably the app might freeze. You might accidentally delete 15 frames of painstaking eyebrow wiggles. You will curse under your breath. Take a deep breath. Have a secret chocolate stash nearby. Remember, even 10 seconds of a wiggly sun is a triumph. Interpretation is everything. That brown smudge? According to your child, it's grandpa's mustache riding a unicycle on a rainbow. Do not question it. Incorporate it. The weirder, the better the story. The glitterpocalypse, seriously, it will be everywhere, forever. Consider it the physical manifestation of creative joy, or invest in a powerful vacuum. The tools of the trade, minimalist edition. Kids drawing, the star. Smartphone, director's viewfinder and camera. Free stop motion app, the magic machine. Good lighting, the spotlight. Flat surface, the stage. Scissors and tape, practical effects department. Your voices and enthusiasm, sound and spirit. Patience and sense of humor, essential production gear. Beyond the hack, the ripple effect. This isn't just a one-off trick. It's a gateway. Collaboration station. Make it a family affair. One draws the hero, another the villain. Dad does the dramatic monster roar noises. Literacy link. Write down the story they narrate. Suddenly, they see the connection between their words and the movie. Early literacy win. Problem-solving playground. How do we make the rocket take off? Can we show the flower growing? Encourages creative thinking and experimentation. Digital citizenship light. A safe, controlled, creative introduction to digital tools, showing them how tech can bring their own ideas to life, not just consume others. The final reel, why this mom hack is the ultimate win. Turning children's drawings into animated stories isn't about creating cinematic masterpieces, though if you do, send it my way. It's about alchemy. It's transforming the everyday, the crayon scribbles, the overflowing art bins, the constant demand for engagement, into pure, concentrated moments of connection, creativity, and joy. It validates their inner world in the most dazzling way possible. It creates shared laughter and memories that stick far better than glitter on the couch. It's a testament to their imagination and your willingness to dive headfirst into it, smartphone in hand, ready to embrace the wobbly, the weird, and the wonderfully imperfect. So, the next time you're tripping over another masterpiece destined for the special box, don't just stick it on the fridge. Grab your phone, fire up a free app, and whisper the magic words. Lights, camera, animation. Prepare for giggles, gasps, and the unparalleled satisfaction of unleashing your inner Momoloris. Your living room is about to host its most memorable premiere yet. Cut. That's a wrap. Now, where's that chocolate stash? If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe. It will really help this channel out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative videos coming.